All right, so this is something that stays on my mind, so I'm ranting. I hate when I hear women say, I don't need a man, but then portray actions completely contradictory to that. Don't say you don't need a man and then turn around and do things to try to get the attention of the same men you just said you don't need. See, one of my pet peeves in life is attention whores. I hate it with a passion when I see someone doing something solely for attention because that's a major character flaw. And it says a lot about that person. You can't say you don't need a man and then post thirst trap pictures for them. You can't say you don't need a man but constantly seek validation from them. You can't say you don't need a man but then always compete with other women for them. You can't say you don't need a man when most of y'all build your entire self-esteem and self-worth off of how many men acknowledge you. Every single social media platform, that's your Instagram, your Facebook, your TikTok, originally started out as authentic platforms for genuine connections and fun until low self-esteem women decided to use it to put themselves on display as advertisements for the attention of men. All while doing this under the guise of self-liberation. That's a cop-out for wanting to do what you want to do without the repercussions and backlash of it. Because if you attach a movement to it, then it makes it more justifiable. I'm going to give you guys an example. Somebody sent me a video of a woman who received a brand deal for clothing and decided to promote the brand by making an Instagram post of her wearing the brand's clothes bent over with her ass all in the camera. The company then cut her deal because she didn't represent them in the correct, respectful manner. She then got the nerve to get mad and then make a video trashing the company, talking about women's rights and about how women should be treated equally and not like pieces of meat. Do you know how delusional that sounds? It's like the women who say, I could be half naked and twerking, but if you view me in a sexual light, there's something wrong with you. If you sexualize me, it's your projection. You're projecting your lust onto me. That's the most narcissistic shit I've ever heard. I want to be able to do whatever the fuck I want to do, right or wrong, and then blame you for it, but at the same time hold on to the idea that I don't need you. But the real world doesn't work like that. You have to teach people how to treat you by how you treat yourself. And if you're treating yourself and portraying yourself like a hoe, you will be treated accordingly by the same men you claim you don't need. It's not rocket science. It's common sense that's not so common.